Hello guys, so this is my 1-month Bermuda project. So this was my landscape before ko siya nilagyan ng Bermuda seeds. Ayan, hindi pa ako tapos magbunot ng mga damo nito, pero binungkal ko na yung lupa or inararo for aeration before I saw the seeds. And now this is it, the progress after a month. Although hindi pa totally connected yung root system niya sa baba, yung mga Bermuda, but I'm seeing a progress na dun sa sowing na ginawa ko. So, tumubo na siya, although hindi pa lahat. And then, tumubo na din yung damo. So, kailangan